Hello guys, this is verybinaryoptions.com. We're looking at the Great Britain pound US dollar for the end of the week here, this being of course Sunday the 28th of September. And we're looking at again at the Great Britain pound US dollar, as from my point of view we still have some more room to move to the downside and not to the upside. Well, this currency pair, at least, is what it was forming a clear impulsive move or a five-way structure, with the fourth wave being done at this moment of time with this beautiful corrective wave that is being called a flat. So that would be the fourth wave here. Let me put this one the fourth wave and make it in red. And then we had the five-way structure to the upside. This five-way structure to the upside is an impulsive move, but it is not any kind of an impulsive move. It is being called a terminal impulsive move, and due to this fact, all the waves that are being part on this fifth wave are corrective, but nevertheless they should be labeled with numbers and not with letters. We need overlapping within the second and the fourth wave, and the impulsive move goes like this. Starts from here again, and we have the first wave to the upside. As you can see, this is no impulsive move, it is only a corrective wave. So all these highs that the market made, 168, 170, 171, were actually being made in a corrective fashion, and all these highs here were let's say signaling only exhaustion or corrective movements. So this would be the first wave, and this would be the second wave. This would be the third, and this would be the fourth, and of course our fifth wave ends here, mark my words. Now, like any rising wedge, this one as well travels within the 1 and 3 and 2 to 4 trend line. This is the 1 and 3 trend line. Let's make it a bit bigger. This is the 2 to 4 trend line, like this. So 1 and 3 and 2 to 4 trend line, and by this moment of time this one broke the 2 to 4 trend line here. Basically all hell breaks loose for the pair, but I would say that it was not the Great Britain pound story, but more of a US dollar story for the pair. So how about next? Well, the thing is that the whole pattern here, this one here, that should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is being called nothing but a terminal impulsive move. And the thing is that terminal impulsive moves are completely retraced. Well, if you take a trend line, a horizontal line, and you go at the initial point of the move, or where this impulsive move started, then we have what? 158.55. Excellent. But then where is the price now? Well, we are 62.37. So what I'm trying to say is that we are still need to go to the downside, and the target should be 158.55. Now this would be if I would trade, let's say, the spot market or the regular foreign exchange market, then I would be short with a stop loss at the highs now in this area, and with a take profit here. But we are trading binary options, and on binary options I would like to buy put options on the US dollar Japanese yen, of course, at the opening on Monday with end of week expiration date. Now you might say, why end of week? Give it some time, right? It is 300 and something pips. It's not going, it doesn't actually mean that it's going to reach the target next week, but this would be the road that the pair should still need to make. So let's write on the screen that we are buying put options with end of week expiration date. So buying put options at the opening on Monday with end of week expiration date. Well, that's pretty much it for the Great Britain pound US dollar. It is as simple as possible terminal impulsive move or a rising wedge. We all know that a rising wedge is falling. Well, this one is falling by the time the B2D trend line has broken, but it needs to still be completely retraced. Thank you for being here. Make sure you check out our Binary Options Academy projects that we have there and see if there is something that you will find useful. I'm sure you will find. Bye bye.